Today I'm climbing a really cool spot and I wanted to share the whole experience with you. I've brought all of my gear, the new camera, this is the A7 III from Sony, my Osmo Pocket, my drone, and I have like 30 or 40 more minutes to go until I get to the destination, but it's a really cool place. It's a fort. The views from up there are just insane, and of course I wanted to share this whole experience with you, so I will get going because I really have a lot more to go, and I'll show you the views once I get there. If you can hear me because it's extremely windy here, but this right here is the staircase to heaven. This is insane. Take a look at this. So this place is really amazing, and I'm currently waiting for the sunset. But what do you think about this staircase? It was really, I would say, dangerous to go all the way down because some of the steps were missing, but it was a great place to be. I took some crazy shots which I will be posting on my Instagram, and this whole trip generally has been just so we can enjoy the nice weather, enjoy the great location, and just take some nice shots and have some good time, me and my friend Nick. We had some problems with the wind. It was really strong, but now I think it's dying down, so I should be able to get some really cool shots with the drone. Again, this is the location. It looks insane with the cross behind me, with the staircase. There is some industrial areas just behind me right now. There is some trains passing by, and generally it's just so nice to be out here and enjoy this great weather and the great location, so it's nice to share it with you guys as well. Anyway, I think now it's time to get the drone in the air and show you some more shots. And there you guys have it. This has been today's video. I just wanted to share the beautiful views from this place. I really enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed it as well. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.